Hi everyone, today in front of me I have this OnePlus Nord CE 2 smartphone, and today we are going to show how you can set up Opera as your default browser. So let's go ahead and start. The first way is to go to settings, look for app management, default app, and here on top of the setting we have the browser app, and just tap on this section, choose Opera, and you're all set. Your default browser is an Opera now. And the second way to do that is to open the Opera browser itself. Press on this picture, which stands for your profile. Find this little gear icon, which stands for settings. And here you gotta look for the default browser section, and once you tap on it, the system will ask if you want to set Opera as your default browser. Now you just press on next, choose Opera, set as default, and you're all done. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.